fight against each other, kind of stuff. So King Kamehameha the First had all the warriors up to Nuuanu Point, in which he won the chief of Oahu, which is island I'm from. And then he organized all the Hawaiian Islands as a kingdom of the Hawaiian Islands. Okay? So Nuuanu is the mountain way up there, but in the back of the Pali Lookout, if you go to Hawaii and visit, there's a thing called the Pali Lookout. You go up to the Pali, you can drive up there, and you oversee all the beautiful land and the homes and then the ocean, right? But behind that is a mountain. And we found out as kids that there's a sacred waterfall way up there. So my friends and I had my little flamingo guitar, and I always bring my tape recorder in case I think of a song I can record, And I had a little trio with my friends, Paula and Mark, and we sing songs, original songs. So we said, let's hike up and look for the sacred waterfall. So we hiked up, we drove to a certain point, then we hiked up a good hour, way in the back of the valley where hardly anybody is, in the mountains, in the forest. And we found it's a little waterfall. I mean, it's only as big as that tree, believe it or not, and it's flowing down. That was a waterfall, but it's a sacred waterfall.
Oh my God, it's a what?
So we sat around, and I pushed the recording button, and I picked up my tiny little flamingo guitar. And this is what the waterfall spoke to me. Valley of whispering winds, calls to me, enchanting me. Come take my hand and walk with me in the valley where we are free to be. Free to be. Nuuanu, enchanting waterfalls, calls to me. Miss Celine, take my hand and walk with me. Free to be. Enchanting me. Take my hand and walk with me in the valley where we are free to be. Free to be. Nuuanu, enchanting with me in the valley where we are free to be. Free to be. Thank you. Call me Nuuanu. Well, if you like that one, I'll play one more, then we'll head out. This song is good because it's about peace, love, and tranquility. I played it earlier. This song is cool because I used to work in a Paradise Park, which is a bird sanctuary, you know, and it's where they research birds and people who find birds in Hawaii, they bring them over there, they get them away. And they have little bird shows, you know, kind of stuff. You know, ever seen the show Beretta with those white cockatoos? Those showbirds, they're worth like $20,000. And they have the showbirds in the bird show. You know, they ride bicycles and stuff. Well, two of them got away. They're like $20,000 each. So the people in Paradise Park, they really love their birds. So they decided to put food every single day on the top of the roost. The roost is like a big old cage. So the workers would get a ladder and they put food there, you know. I heard about this, you know. So one day after I finished work, I was in Paradise Park. I had a sales job there. I'm walking to my car and I see the two birds that escaped. And they came all the way in to get food because they knew the food was there. Yeah? I mean, they have a 3-year-old human brain, you know. Birds do. Even if you have a little parakeet, or if you go to a pet store and you get a parakeet or a little bungee, you talk to them like you had your own little human child. They can go all the way up to a 3-year-old brain, and some are teenagers. Truth. So these two birds were flying so free, and they were happy because they had food, and they were so at peace. And they lived in the next valley, next over, which had a lot of fruits and stuff too. And the reason I know that, years and years later, I brought my friend over, and we went hiking in the next valley, and there they were. Because there's no white Beretta birds indigenous in Hawaii. And they had families of little children. This is like 10 years later. I go, oh, this is the way they've been living all this time. That's really cool. I even have it on film. So anyway, when I got home that night, after I saw them, they felt so free and so peaceful. I'm going to pick up my guitar, push the tape recorder, and see what comes out. And see if I get the vibration from the birds that I just saw coming home from work, you know? So I wrote this song called White Bird. White bird in the sky, flying high, white bird in the sky, flying high. Over the rainbow, past the clouds, past the sunshine, past sun rays flying, cruising, gliding, flying. wanna go beyond the struggle. I wanna go high. I wanna go beyond the rainbow. I wanna touch. I wanna touch the sky. White birds flying high. White bird in the sky. Flying high. Waiting. White bird in the sky, flying high, away over the rainbow, rainbow, past the clouds, past the sunshine, sunshine past. Love and tranquility, in peace. Love and tranquility.